So you've opened your Ikonart kit, you've set up your stand, you've made your first tester stencil using the test artwork that we have in the kit, and now you're ready to get going on your own artwork. We've included 2 cards in each Ikonart kit that have codes on them for free artwork. So you don't need to start off designing your own artwork right away. You can download this free artwork and make your own stencils using that. So I'm going to be showing you how to use each one of the cards today. Super easy. So all you're going to do for the first card, it's a bundle of 30 designs that we chose for you. And then the other card is going to be $100 worth of designs that you get to choose out of this one section of the website. So I'll show you how to do both. So for the 30 free designs, you're just going to open a browser window and type in the website that's listed on the back of the card. And that's just sofontsy.com/free Ikonart designs. And if you don't already have a So Fontsy account, you're just going to want to register for an account, clicking this register button right here, and I'll just register really quickly. And you just click the red register button once you have all of your information filled out, and that's all there is to it. It's super easy. All right, so once you have that, we're going to go back to that free Ikonart designs page. These are all the cute designs. They're so fun. There's tons of great designs in here. It's 30 free designs to get you started, and they all work great to make stencils out of. A few of them you'll probably recognize because we have made projects out of some of these, and they're super cute. So in order to get these 30 designs, you're just going to click Add to Cart, and then you can just go ahead and view your cart. Click checkout. You'll enter your coupon code at checkout. You can just add the discount code that is listed on the back of the card, and it'll apply your discount. So then you can just go ahead and complete the order. And after the order is complete, you weren't charged anything, you'll just click Go to Downloads. There you will see your SVG bundle. So you can just click the Download Bundle button, and then that'll download it to your Downloads folder or wherever your downloads normally download to your computer. I am using a PC, and mine always download to my Downloads folder. So then I'm just going to open my Downloads folder and open the zip file that it just downloaded. I have a PC, and I'm able to just double click on my zip file and it brings up all the files. But this is still my zip file view window. It's not the actual files yet. So in order to unzip them, I'm going to put them on my desktop and do it that way. The reason they come over as zip files is because it's a lot easier to share files when they're zipped and they're compressed, so they're smaller. So let's just unzip them. So I'm just going to create a new folder on my desktop for now called Files, and I'll just select all of my zip files that are in here, all 30 of them, and drag them into that Files folder. So that's the first step, and then I am done with this, so I don't need that anymore. So once I have my files actually on my desktop and no longer in the zip file folder that they came in, now I can unzip them all. So in order to unzip them all at once, I'm just going to select the first one and then hold down my Shift key and select the bottom one. That'll select all of my files. Then I'm going to right click and click 7-zip Extract Files. So what that did is it unzipped all of those folders. So now I don't need these zip files anymore, so I'm just going to right click and delete those. So now I have a folder with each of my designs in it, and you get a bunch of different file types. So you get the SVG, the PNG, the JPEG, and the EPS file. So I always work with SVGs, but if you prefer to work with one of these other file types, you certainly can. So then once you have all those folders unzipped like that, then you can just open them. I usually use Illustrator. Of course, you can use Silhouette Studio. You can use Gravit. Of course, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend that. But you'll be able to just open it, open your files, and resize them how you want, and do whatever you want with them. So now you have all 30 of those designs. Move that out of the way. Okay, so then we can download the next one. So the next card is a little trickier, I guess, because you do get $100 on the So Fontsy store, but you do have to use it all at once and you select the design. So in order to do this one, you just want to type in the address exactly as it appears on the back of the card, and it is case sensitive. So once you get to the right website, it is case sensitive, so once you get to that right website, just read this important information that pops up. It's a unique code that's on the back of each card, so it's a one-time use code, and it must be redeemed in a single transaction. The code only applies to the items that are in this card redemption area, and only one code applied per order. Once you read through all of that, you can just click agree. There is over 3,000 designs and you have $100 to spend. So all you do is start adding your designs to the cart until you reach $100. And they do also have, you can filter by price if you would rather, but you can also filter by font. So you can click font and then click apply, and there's all these beautiful handwritten, gorgeous fonts that you can get that would normally cost money. So that is another way I like to use this card, is not only for designs but also for free fonts, because there's some really, really pretty fonts in here that will allow you to make very unique signs on your own. It's just really fun to scroll through all the different designs and get ideas for how to use Ikonart, first of all, but also to just see all the different fun designs that are available. So say I wanted this fun sign, love this one, cute. So you just add it to cart, and then you add up to $100. And then once you check out, the same exact as before, the only difference is make sure you enter the code that's on the back of the orange card and enter it exactly as it's on there. Each card is a unique code, so it's a one-time use code, and that's all you do. So super easy. And then once you have the designs, then you'll be able to open them in your artwork program of choice and create a lot of fun stencils. And that's all there is to it. It's super easy to get started with these free artwork files when you're using the Ikonart Custom Stencil Kit. If you have any questions at all, of course, let me know in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about Ikonart or seeing us use some of these designs to make Ikonart projects, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. I'll also include in the description box the link to the 30 free designs and also the link to the card redemption area of So Fontsy's website, so that you can go directly to those areas with the links below.